Here's just a little birdhouse made from fence boards. I just glued up a pile of fence boards 5.5 inches wide, glued them into a little pack, turned them around, used a hole saw to drill the hole for the bird to go in and out, shaped it, drilled out the center to hollow it, and then once it was shaped and sanded and decorated a little bit, I put it in my chop saw and cut the angle for the roof, then mitered the roof pieces to meet that angle, glued it up, put a piece of galvanized metal on the top for waterproofing, and there it is. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe.